Hey innovators, I'm Raheem Kareem, and welcome back to Gen AI. We've talked a lot about how AI works, but what if you could build your own? In today's episode, we'll dive into how you can train and fine-tune generative AI models, whether you're a developer or just getting started. You don't need millions of dollars to build AI. Open source models like Mistral and Stable Diffusion let you fine-tune AI for your own needs. Whether you want to generate text, create images, or even build a chatbot, these tools make it possible. AI models are trained in two main ways: pre-training and fine-tuning. Pre-training is what big companies do, training from scratch on massive data sets. Fine-tuning, on the other hand, lets you take an existing model and customize it for specific tasks. Fine-tuning is like training a general-purpose employee for a specific job. It's faster, cheaper, and more efficient than building an AI from scratch. Alright, let's put theory into action. I'll show you how to fine-tune a model using a very helpful tool and an open source dataset. Today, we're diving into something special: how to fine-tune generative AI models using Google Colab. Whether you're an AI enthusiast, a researcher, or just curious about training your own models, Colab makes it easy and accessible. Let's get started. So, what is Google Colab? It's a cloud-based Jupyter notebook environment that lets you write and execute Python code right from your browser. No setup needed. It's great for AI, machine learning, and of course, fine-tuning generative AI models. One of the coolest things about Colab is the vast collection of pre-built notebooks. You don't have to start from scratch. Google has tons of examples ready for you to explore. Let's take a look. Here's a great one. This notebook walks you through how to use both Google Gemini and ChatGPT for learning purposes. You can run cells, modify code, and even integrate these models into your projects. But why stop here? Let's create our own notebook. Alright, let's build something useful, a learning and development chatbot that teaches generative AI. We'll use AI to help us generate code and structure our chatbot. See how quickly we're able to create something functional? AI-assisted development makes building intelligent applications faster and more efficient than ever. Now, let's see what Gemini suggests. It's giving us a structured breakdown: what model to use, how to fine-tune it, and how to deploy it. This is a great way to get AI-assisted guidance when working on complex projects. Now that we've built a foundation, it's your turn to explore. Google Colab is full of powerful tools and pre-built examples to help you get started with AI development and fine-tuning. So go ahead, dive in, experiment, and start building. That's a wrap for today's episode of Gen AI. Now that you know how to build AI, let's explore the next frontier: AI that can think and act on its own. In our final episode, we'll talk about the future of AI, from autonomous AI agents to artificial general intelligence. You won't want to miss it. See you then.